Hey everyone, my name is Eric Fredrickson. I'm an Air Force veteran. My new goal is to become a criminal prosecutor and help you understand who I am and where I'm going with my future. I'm originally from a small town called Port Orchard, Washington. I grew up with a large family with 6 siblings, and I'm the oldest boy. I loved growing up with a large family except for when it came to whose turn it was to use the bathroom. That was always kind of an issue in my family. We only had one bathroom. I initially joined the Air Force when I was about 19. When I just turned 19, I actually joined the day after. And I became an aerospace medical technician. So what that means is when you go to the doctors and you before you see the doctor, you kind of see it like a nurse or a medical technician. That's what I do. I'll check your vital signs and your past medical history. From there, I actually got to travel a little bit. From all the way from Washington State to North Carolina, my first duty station at Seymour Johnson Air Force Base. I was there for about 4 years, rotating from pediatric clinic to immunizations to family health, and rotating all three. And eventually, I got to deploy to Qatar as a TCN, so I just escorted people on and off base, which was pretty exciting. And I actually got to meet my wife there. And then I spent my last year in on active duty in South Korea at Osan Air Force Base, where I got to propose to my wife at the end of my year, which was pretty exciting. And now I'm currently living in California with my wife. I picked Troy University because they have a great online program and they're military friendly, and they have the criminal justice program is kind of what I'm looking for. And obviously, I can go to school from traveling because my wife is still active duty military, so it kind of helps that we can kind of relocate and I don't have to worry about my education so much. The reason I'm working towards becoming a lawyer is because they get to help people and they can hold people accountable for their actions. I always thought that was kind of a neat thing to do. So I hope you understand who I am as a person. I'm Eric Fredrickson, and I'm a huge dog lover. So don't go anywhere. Come here, Cutter. And this is my boy. Hey, Cutter, say hi. Bye, guys.